Both do it. Both do it.
Okay.
Wouldn't hurt.
The problem is my computer isn't exactly the best, so it's not. I think it's a little bit better than mine.
All right.
I don't know if y'all recording something.
Don't. All right. I'm going to.
I wish there were more people, so we could just get like one last screenshot with everybody.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I'm ready to start recording.
Alright, we don't need to start yet. I'll let you know when.
Oh wait, actually, how much space do I have? Oh yeah, that's funny, Alright.
The computer that will send the message is here. All right. Let me know when you're all ready. Don't do it yet, but let me know when you're all ready.
I'm just trying to remember if there's anything else that I wanna just like either revisit or just I don't know, I guess we could
Alright. When you're ready, don't do anything yet, but come over here. Alright. No one touched this anymore. I'm connecting this. No one touched anything yet.
Yeah, I'll start recording now.
I will, but not right this sec.
Let's see.
Alright, everyone come over here.
How do you start recording now? I don't know. No. Why? God, are you kidding me? Alright, is it big full screen? Oh, there we go, thank God. Okay. I'm recording. I'm just going to F11.
Alright, give me a minute.
Oh, I see.
Who's a good shot with a bow?
Probably Bust.
Alright. Bust. Get, but do not use, I repeat, do not use a flame bow. Yeah, should work. This is his backup. Actually, we're supposed to set the ideas for me to set the fireworks off with the computer. Then we'll set the TNT off with cannons. But if our cannons miss, the computer will do it. That's the idea. Okay. Everyone here, I want to give you all revolver muskets, so we can fire. Well, if we have 4 people, it'll be a 4-gun salute.
I also want to spawn in.
Careful with the dragon.
What? He's fine.
Okay.
This is Bust anyway. I'm just putting him here because I don't know. It's kind of a staple. Dragons were a pretty big part of
this. Bust. Since. Alright, Halt and Scorpion. You're each going to get a cannon. Bust, you have the flame bow.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so what you want to do is you want to click on the cannons. You want to right-click on them to aim them. Alright, Scorpion, the leftmost cannon will be yours. Halt, the rightmost cannon will be yours. Get your cannon aimed now.
Okay.
Then left shift once you have it aimed.
Should we do that now or now? Fire it?
Halt. Bring a jukebox over here.
Wait, what actually fires it? I'm just trying not to fire it.
To fire it, you'll right click it with flint and steel. So get flint and steel ready, but do not use it yet. Halt.
Okay.
Get your cannon aimed. I have to get them loaded.
Also, we should probably go into survival mode just so it doesn't look weird. That would be crazy. But, I mean, we don't really need to do that now.
Yeah, whatever. It's fine.
Oh yeah, we do need to fly. So yeah, sure.
All right. All right. First cannon is loaded. Yes, correct, but don't do it yet. Okay. Halt. Your revolver musket. Scorpion, your revolver musket. Bust, where are you? Bust, your revolver musket. Alright, so here's the plan. I set this off with the computer. Then we fire our cannons.
Right. And then I'll go and then I'm recording.
Then Bust will shoot his flame bow if need be, and the whole thing will go off.
Me and Buster. So I'm just gonna fly up and go to F1 mode.
Are all the halt? Get your cannon load. Everyone ready?
Yep.
All right, guns. We can. All right, we can do 1, 2, 3, 4. Scorpion, you're 1. I'm 2. Halt, I guess you're 3. Bust, you're 4.
Do I just
We
right
can-
click this?
Don't shoot your cannon yet. Use your gun. Take your gun.
Yeah, how?
Shoot in the air. You just right click. We can fire off a. Well, there are 4 of us in line, so I'll do it. Then Scorpion, then Halt, then Bust. We can actually do 24 shots. All right. Is someone recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
All right. Fire your guns into the air now. You can discharge all 6 shots. All right.
Alright.
Oh, come on. Oh, yep. Someone get those fireworks. Make sure to get the fireworks.
I'm doing it.
All right, cannons. Get ready for cannons.
Oh,
And
I'm getting you back.
On 0, cannons. 3.
Wait, give me a second, please.
All right. 1, 0.
Alright, cool. Oh, it's really laggy.
Oh yeah.
Let's get back up a little bit. There we go. Oh, it's thunder! That's cool.
And that's all for Nations and Legends, folks. Thanks for playing. Oh, and if any of you want, we could do a PvP now.
Why not? Yeah, sure.
All right, give me a sec. Let me start another world.
Alright. Let me check the recording.
Oh yeah, post the recording in Discord.
Wait. What?
And while this is happening, let me just go and download a backup.
Please do.
From 714.
Boss, did you get that on recording? You got it right. Hold on.